Hi, I'm Mike from Become a Better Guitar Player, and welcome back to the channel. Today's lesson, I'm going to show you how to play a simple song with first position chords. There's a total of 4 chords. It's a very popular song, very recognizable. It's called Good Riddance by Green Day. So I'm going to show you how to play this. It's made up of 3 simple chord progressions using the same 4 chords, just played a little differently each time, and a strumming pattern that is the same throughout the song. If you're following along in our lesson series, this would be lesson number 17. And if you want, on Monday, after I release this lesson, I'm going to release a tutorial on our channel for the song, for this Green Day song. But for a lesson, I'm going to simplify the chord progression and how to switch between the chords for a lesson on the channel. So let's get started with the lesson, all right? This song is going to be made up of 4 chords. It's going to be a G chord, a C chord, a simple D chord, and then an E minor chord that is just 2 fingers. So the first G chord for this is going to be, your first finger is going to be on the 2nd fret of the A string. Your middle finger is going to be on the 3rd fret of the E string. And you're going to take these 2 fingers, you're going to plant them right down here on the 3rd fret of the B and the E string. And the strumming pattern for each chord is going to be down, down, 1, 2, 3, down, down, 1, 2, 3, down, down, 1, 2, 3. So if you want to get used to the picking pattern, you can mute your strings so you can concentrate on your right hand. Down, down, 1, 2, 3, down, down, 1, 2, 3. It plays the G chord like that twice. Then it moves to the C chord. And to move to the C chord, you're just going to take these 2 fingers, you're going to move them down 1 string each. From that C chord, you're going to move to the D chord. The D chord is going to be the 2nd fret of the G string, 2nd fret of the E string. You're going to take your ring finger and put it down here on the 3rd fret of the B. Same picking pattern. You're going to do it 1 time. And you're going to, that's the first chord progression. It's 3 chords. The first chord you play twice. You're going to play that progression twice. From there, the next chord progression starts out on this E minor chord. That's going to be your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. Your 3rd finger is going to go on the 2nd fret of the D string. you're gonna pick it once. You're gonna go back to the D chord. Then go back to the C chord. Then transition back to that G chord. And that's the next chord progression, and it plays that twice also. From there, it goes into the third progression, once again using the same chords that you've used throughout the song. Less of them though. So the third part of it starts out on that E chord, then goes to the G chord, goes back to the E, then goes back to the G. Then you're going to hit the E chord for a third time. From there, you're going to go back to the D chord. Then from the D chord, you're going to go back to the G chord, and you're going to start the song all over again. So I'll do that third progression through for you here one more time. So that's the strumming pattern and the chords to this song. It's a fun song to play, very popular song, very recognizable by the guitar part. So it's fun to play for people once you get it figured out. It's you can play it as slow as you want, and it'll still sound right. Because I know in Green Day they play much faster than I was showing here, but I encourage you to learn it beginning to end, and if you can play along with the original recording on YouTube or something, it really makes you feel good when you can complete that. So I hope this helps you out. If it does, like and subscribe to our channel. It's completely free, helps us out a lot, and I hope you learned something from this and you like it. All right, so thank you and have a great day.